Draft this beautiful corset pattern with me in these easy steps. Thank you so much for 50,000 followers. So I start here by just inputting the bust nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2, and I'm going to draw a line going from the bust to the hem of the corset. At the underbust line, I tighten the underbust by 0.75 on both sides. Then I connect the line like so using the French curve. So note that this dart measurement varies for each size. So I'm just going to draw a straight line from the underbust to the hem, straight line on both sides to form part of the waist dart. So yeah, I go in by 0.25 inches on both sides, and I'm going to like reshape it like so. By liking this video, you are showing the TikTok that this video is a useful content that should be pushed out to more people. So please like and follow if you're interested in sewing tutorials. So yeah, just input the bust measurement, circumference measurement divided by 4 on the chest line, and on the waist I will input the waist circumference divided by 4, and I'm going to put back what I took for the dart, which is total of 2 inches. So I'm going to now connect from the chest line to the waist, and now create my bust dart, which is 1.25, which I just created now. Connect the point midpoint of the shoulder. So I go up by 5.25 from the under bust up. So I want my neckline to be here. So after drawing a line across, I'm going to tighten the upper bust using 0.25 on both sides. You do not want to tighten this part too much because this corset top has sleeve, so you don't want to tighten it too much. So this after connecting like so. So I want to show you other ways you can tighten, and yeah, just draw the normal neckline that is usually on basic pattern. So you can tighten from the neckline like so and just tighten it like this. If you don't, so these are the other ways you can tighten the upper bust, and also tighten it from the armhole like so. But you can't do too much. You can do 0.25 to half inch to tighten it like so and just close it up. So that's another way of tightening, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah. So this on the hip line, I input hip circumference divided by 4, and I'm going to add back what I took for the darts at the waist. So that put it back, which is 1.5, and then I'm going to connect. Our online corset class is going to start soon, so please follow us on TikTok and also message us on WhatsApp to stay updated. So I'm going to just close my bust dart here. I cut out the waist dart so I can close the bust dart. Please note that. So decide how low you want the cleavage to be, and then go in by 0.5, and then you're going to connect the cup on both sides because the corset top has cup. So I'm just connecting it like so to the 0.5 that I go in by. So yeah, I'm just going to like tighten the yoke. Just tighten the yoke. So yeah, I'll just reshape the armhole coming out by 0.5 inches. Just reshape it a little, and I'm going to close the upper bust dart here because I want to like draw the neckline and I want it to match. So that's why I just close it. So yeah, I just draw the neckline like so. So after drawing the neckline, I just cut it out. I separate the yoke from the corset, and I'm going to cut out the that is on the yoke and then just tape it back and reshape the shoulder. And now I'm just going to draw the neckline, which is like V shape. It's V shape, so I'm just going to like draw the neckline. And yeah, I'm doing inverted. It's like triangle, yeah. So just drawing the shape of the neckline like so. Just do it as you see me here, and then part all the unnecessary parts. So after cutting out, this is the front done. The last thing I have to do on the front pattern is to shape the hemline, which I've done. Just shape it like so, and this is it for the front. And for the back, just draw your basic bodice pattern. Here I put bust circumference divided by 4, and on the waist I put waist circumference divided by 4, but I add some extra for that and for the back tightening that will be there. So and on the okay, so I connect from the bust down to the waist, and I do the back tightening. I use 0.75 for the back tightening, and on the hip I input my hip circumference divided by 4. So yeah, I'm just like dividing what I have at the waist into two, and so I can take in the dart that I have added the waist measurement, the 0.5 on both sides. I've added it to the waist measurement that I input earlier. So yeah, I just shape the M for the back, and that's it.